Stop doing that. Now I'm videotaping him. Quit it. Go get your bear. Get your bear.
We're fucking trying to get him to bark.
I'm not. I want him to go get his bear. I'm trying to videotape him.
And then you... Ugh.
I went raw. That's not a bark thing.
Oh, yeah, that's not what Susie used to bark at all.
No.
No, of course not.
Susie's different. This is Titan.
Seeing as how you spent the most time with him? Yeah, I see him being much fucking different.
He's totally different. You're thinking of when you say, what is that?
Oh, yeah, and then you went, bruh, bruh.
Yeah, I do that all the fucking time. See? Wait a minute. I see it. Okay, go get it. Give me the bone. Give me the bone. Give me the bone, Titan. Shithead. With my camera. Cut the back.
See, so funny.
What?
Let's see.
What is it, a video? That? Ow.
Only the best will go through to Las Vegas.
It's a little bit, but we're okay.
Whoa.
Does it hurt? It's not throbbing?
My teeth.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, as long as you can't tell.